One way you can add a green screen to your background is going to shading tab and then switching to world, changing the color to RGB mode and switching down red and blue and turning up the green completely. Right now it's not visible because scene world is not used, but this will leave you with a cube or an object that has green color cast on it because the world is green in color. So you can use the light path node to separate the rays from the background. So we'll search for light path. So using this, you can separate the ray that is directly heading to the camera, so it won't be cast on the object. To do that, we'll be duplicating this by pressing Shift D and turning down the strength completely. Now press Shift A and then add a mix shader node. Now plug the one with the zero strength into the shader. Make sure the one with the zero strength is on the top. Now, now plug this mix shader into the surface. Now when you plug this camera ray into factor, it filters out the ray that is directly heading to the camera. Now again, if you want to use an environment to light your scene or just use this dull background, you can just use it here instead of the zero strength. So let's say I can turn up this to 1. So just turn up the strength to 1 and then press Shift A and add an environment texture. You can open your environment. When I use the sky texture I previously downloaded and then plug this into the color. The scene will be illuminated by this, but you still have a green screen background. Also, this works in both EV and cycles. If this helps, leave a like